of mine, shining red on the showroom floor. I scratched my name on the dotted line. Now I'm on a mission, the grand tradition. There's only one thing left to do. But there's a clay pan, there's a big old mud hole. Gonna take my brand new baby right on through. Baptize the youth, baptize the youth. You won't be satisfied till you do. Leave your mark, break it in. You take it to the edge and back again.
Hey, that's deep, that's deep.
Now when she's in my rig, she feels the rumble. She loves to ride my machine. She runs her fingers along the
My mate's right, mate, he had water coming up inside.
Where else she'd rather be. But I'm on a mission, grand tradition.
Yes!
Play my cards just right. The motor's running, the things are humming. I reckon this could be my lucky night. Baptize the youth, baptize the youth. You won't be satisfied till you do. Leave your mark, break it in, till we take it to the edge and back again.
Hey, fuck.
Butts on the boulevard, fur on the side rail, mud on the windscreen, 'cause we'll baptize the earth. Well, I'm on a mission, we have ignition, gotta do what must be done. And when the ceremony has been completed, we'll start her up and do it all again. Baptize the
Let's see if the
youth,
ranger can get stuck again.
baptize the youth. You won't be satisfied till you do. Leave your mark, break it in. Got to take it to the edge and back again. Baptize the youth, baptize the youth. Got to take her out and see what she can do. Leave your mark, break it in. Got to take it to the edge and back again.
We've got two recoveries, Colorado's down to. I'd be trying not to drop into them ruts, they look pretty shocking for me. Yeah. In he goes. Try and keep it out of the ruts, mate.
Day in, day out, again and again. Sun up to sundown, gotta call your friends. Pull down to the lake, and you park your truck. Everybody with the windows rolled down and the radio cranked up. Got drinks nearby, sitting under shade trees, sipping on watermelon wine. It feels like the first time, but don't let go, sweet child of mine. Mellencamp and Guns N' Roses play in the back while you and your girl rub noses and talk about what ifs and supposes. Next thing she knows is you're giving her a ring. That song comes on, John Anderson sings. Another sultry summer day, typical weekend in the USA. Ice cold brews, don't wanna hear no news. Just my favorite song when I'm listening to the radio. Good friends and good times, ain't worried about the reason or the rhyme. After a week of work, all I know, I put my mind on cruise control.
Ranger's down again.
A playground for adults, beer tubs and grills. It's all outdoors, you ain't worried about spills. You can bring the dog, even bring your friends. Well, for the annual Olympic weekend. Good, clean fun, nobody getting perverted, no. Topless men putting down your convertible. Swimming pools and suntans, pickups and minivans. It don't matter what you drive, it's all about the vibe. Cookies and ice cream, hot dogs, baked beans, tank top t-shirts, and good old blue jeans.
Fucking ant nest.
Ice cold brews, don't wanna hear no news. Just my favorite song when I'm listening to the radio. Good friends and good times, ain't worried about the reason or the rhyme. After a week of work, all I know, I put my mind on cruise control.
Spinning on the other side, I think. Yeah, he's buried in the front end. Mine's up a fair bit already, so.
Ice cold brews, don't wanna hear no news.
That is
it's my favorite song when I'm listening to the radio.
Just to see things.
Good friends,
Oh, good on him.
times ain't worried about the reason or the rhyme.
Put it again.
After a week of work, all I know, I put my mind on cruise control. I put my mind on cruise control. Put my mind on cruise control.
Oh, yeah.
Cruise control, y'all.
Come on, Steve, don't spray us now. That's fucking good.
On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends, insisting that the world keep turning our way. And our way. On the road.
See the ranger get stuck.
I just can't wait to get on the road again. Life I love is making music with my friends. And I can't wait to get on the road again.
He's hung up. Blown a tyre. Front passenger.
Road again. Like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends.
Just as you were coming up by the look of it.
The world keeps turning our way.